Welcome to Business Sensor ERP. In this video, we'll show you how to configure your POS settings. Once the POS interface opens, go to the top right corner and click Settings. You'll see several setup fields. Let's walk through each one. Point of Sales Preset section. First, select a default customer account. We'll choose POS Customer. Next, in Selling From, choose the department using this POS. We'll use Executive Bar. In Supplying From, select where stock will be pulled from, again, Executive Bar. In Payment Destination Account, pick the cash account where sales will be recorded. In Sales Slogan, type the phrase the POS should announce after each sale, if voice is enabled. In Printout Format, choose your preferred printout format from the drop-down. In Item Selector Mode, pick how items will be selected, barcode or alphabet label. You can check the box to warn before save if you want to prompt before saving. To print on every transaction, check the box. If you want to skip the preview and print directly, check Print Directly to Printer. Set the number of copies you want to print. Barcode key capture delay should be set to 400. Select code 39 as your barcode type and UI thread as your POS save mode. Choose the Check Printer Terminal and Order Printer Terminal from your installed printers. Category and Item Button Settings. Use the next two sections to adjust the button size, font, and colors for your category and item buttons. In Other Preferences, enable Show All Items in one category button to view all items at once. Enable Show Category buttons to filter items by category. Next, set how many favorite items you want to appear first. Choose a theme for the interface color. Then adjust the button margin to control spacing between item buttons. In Accessible Item Categories, select the categories this POS terminal should access. When you're done, click the Apply button to save. Your POS settings are now configured. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials or to explore our full hotel ERP suite, visit www.businesssensor.com.